right, let's shift gears. Let's talk some trading. Let's bring in Alan Nuttman, Chief Market Strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Emphasis on the bull there. Alan, hey, there was almost a coup in Russia, and VIX is at 14, so I guess it's just good times are back, huh?
Sounds like you and Alex and Ben are starting to listen, so I like that. Let's see the NDX. We led the way. It traded between 11,000 and 13,000, a target 15,000. We got there, and then we kind of backed off a bit. The first target here on the S&P is 4,600 after this range. And then I'm going to throw you here 6,000. 6,000, S&P 6,000 is the full V recovery target if we get back to those previous highs, and it's happened every single time in market history.
I think you're looking at the wrong chart, Alan. Did you say 6,000?
I said S&P 6,000. If you look at that drop from the top, from 4,800 down to 3,600, you take that 1,200 points, you add it on top of that 4,800, that works out to be 6,000, which is about 35% above where we are. Look at the charts. Every time in market history that we've had a sell-off, it's rallied back the distance of full V recovery distance each and every time, I guess, until it doesn't.
What's our timeline for that, Alan?
Come on now.
You're making to buy you dinner on me, because I'm willing to put that in for what, 6 months? I'll take 6 months at 6,000. I'll get in trouble. We gotta.
You are a greedy person. Okay, let's talk about the dollar, because that's what today's story is. We're looking for dollar decline. So the dollar's been between 105 and 100 for 6 months. A test, now we're below the 102.5 level. A test at 100 starts the commodity super cycle again, and everybody's going to be on board, and that's where this Freeport Mcmoran comes from.
Okay, so you're trading FCX in the meantime, looking for some dollar downside. What's the upside? You buy in the money calls here for FCX like you like to?
Exactly. Now, copper is looking like it's going to push back above 4, which is obviously the underlying here. So it had dropped from $5 down to $3.50, but we're seeing another. You talked about some money shifting and some rotation. So I'm looking at in FCX, I see leverage buying for the last month. It's traded between 25 and 45 for the last year. So 35 is the important midpoint, and this pop above that sends it back to the range top. 35 is also the 200-day moving average, and we've been between 35 and 45 for the last 6 months. So guess which option I'm looking at?
In the money, the 35.
The 35. Now, the September option has about 3 months of time. September 35 is trading for about 5, 5.25, 5.5, depending. We've got a little pop here this morning. And it's deep in the money, obviously. We're trading at 59, so it's $4 in the money, 3 months of time. And if we just get back to the range top at 45, then this option gains 100%. And this stock had a high at 55 just 2022.
All right. The 35 strike for Freeport, looking for commodities to firm up, but maybe alongside some economic optimism that will eventually belie that S&P 6,000. Thanks, Alan. We've got a new bull tone to set here going forward. Alan Nuttman, Chief Market Strategist at bullseyeoption.com. When we come back, let's talk about the second half of the year.